Good morning from Alaska. It's almost noon, so it's not quite morning anymore, but it's gorgeous out here. I'm in a great mood right now because New Heights posted a picture of my horse Aspen, and I don't get to see very many pictures of him, so it's really great when I do see a picture of him. Although it's pretty sad that I haven't seen him since last July, but at the same time I love seeing pictures when I can. So if you want to know a little bit more about that, I actually have 2 horses being leased to a therapy center in Louisiana, which is a few miles away from Alaska, let's just say that. And if you'd like to know a little bit more of like how they got there or like more of my story with that, comment below and I will definitely do a video about that. There's a lot of details that go into it, and I'm very passionate about this as well. It's a lot of touchy subjects, but I'm willing to share them if you'd like to hear them, if it will at all connect to you. So I'm actually heading down to the kitchen. Jake told me to be there at noon, so I'm gonna be there at noon. Gotta fill up my water bottle down there because it's good water. And yeah, I'm gonna be in the kitchen probably until after dinner tonight, so it'll be a while. I'm gonna do a lot of shopping, but yeah, mostly been just cleaning this morning and really just not relaxing, but got a lot of Jesus time, so that was really great too. I get a 15-minute break. Yay! Actually, my feet are hurting and I'm tired. And it's not even dinner. It's 3:45. So, yeah, little ways to go and then done for the evening. It's gonna be chicken tonight, which probably makes sense why I've been cutting so much chicken. So that's one reason why. But yeah, so gonna take advantage of this break. I think I have like 5 more minutes left, and then going back to the kitchen. It's amazing when you walk outside and you just want to see the sun. I've been in the kitchen all afternoon since 12, and honestly, like, I walked outside squinting because the sun's still out. It's 7:30, but the sun's still out, and it's like sun. I just want to see the sun. And it's so funny just even being in that short of a time, I should say, and really just wanting to see the sun. It's great. So, done with kitchen for today. Going to bed. Going to bed is what I'm going to do. I think first thing I'm going to take off is these shoes, because I need to find some more comfortable shoes. I can't wear tennis shoes in the kitchen because I did that last summer at Kingdom Aircore and I kept slipping everywhere. So, because there's no grip on my Nikes. So, those would be my best option, but there's no grip. So, got to figure out something better because these hiking shoes of mine are not so great in the kitchen all day, standing on my feet. So, gotta be there at 7:30 in the morning, gonna get my workout done, and go to work for breakfast and whatever. I will probably make breakfast here at the house, because I don't do much protein in the morning, except eggs. And I forgot meat again. Dang it! I forgot meat again. I was supposed to bring meat up from the kitchen. Maybe I will just eat down there. So annoying. I annoy myself so much. So I'm going to end the vlog here because I'm going to go to bed. So enjoying the little things and give God glory in all things. Bye!